Oh, hi, greetings. Welcome to Potter County, God's country they call it. I call it fish country. We are here at a small little stream and we're gonna catch lots of fishies. So thanks for joining us. Morris is with us, she's holding the camera. Anyway, thanks for joining. Let's do it. I mean, that looks like a beautiful spot right down there. Not sure if it's worth the walk down there. Let's go for it. Yeah, get him out. Someone's on the boat already. Me, hi. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I should have just chucked him onto the bank. Oh, it is a brook trout. Nice. Is it off? Good job, yo.
Thank you.
Picture. Oh, yeah. That's right, fish. What's up, dude? Look, it happened. I got one. He's alive. Can you take a picture of me? Well, we've been after it for about an hour and that was my first fish of the day. First fish. Morgan already caught two, how dare. So we're gonna keep moving. We're almost at our ending point and then we're gonna head to the next spot. Stay there. Hey! He's off. Right in. There we go. Hi, guy. Welcome to the team. If you were a fish, where would you be? Not where you cast, that would be too easy. Nice. Good job. There we go. Unfinished business, buddy. So I was after that spot earlier today and didn't catch a thing. Oh, one too, he might be wild. And I got myself a little brown. You ready to ditch this joint? Yeah. While we're here, do you want to have your beer? That there is some home cooking. Boom, here comes the boom.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Showing them boys what's up. What, you got a brown?
Little baby brownies.
Good job. Okay. Okay, good job. That was like the quietest catch ever. Is it a brown? I'll tell you. Yeah. Stay with me. Stay with me. Okay. Oh, another gorgeous brownie, man. Okay, that's my first one here. That's exciting. I'm on the board. Oh, yes. Dude, that thing is good. Nice. You did it. Nice brown. We're doing it. You're catching fish. Oh. Oh. Hey. Oh, I was due. What's up, dude? He's swimming. Hey, there we go. Nice. Hi, bud. How are ya? This could be my last fish of the day. Give him a little kiss. Oh. Oh. Tried to take a picture and he slipped away. Oh, hi. We're done. We made it. Barely made it. We got ripped waders, but we had a good day and we caught a bunch of fish. So thanks for watching.
I think I caught more than you.
Yeah, Morgan has finally surpassed me, and it feels so good for her. Hope you're having a good day. Bye.